This is the town of Sambuca di Sicilia. In 2019, it went viral for auctioning off old homes starting at €1.
My name is Meredith Chabone, and I am 44 years old. In June of 2019, I purchased one of the €1 homes. A friend of mine sent me an article, and the article talked about a small village in Sicily that was auctioning off homes starting at a €1 bid. I recognized the name of the village, and it was the same village that my great-grandfather came from in 1902 to the United States. Unfortunately, he was never able to return to Sambuca once he left, and I am the first person in our family to return to this village and to start to rebuild our family name here. So the condition of this property when I first purchased it was dire at best. There was no electricity, there was no running water, there was probably 2 feet of pigeon poop on the floor. It was very bad, but I still loved it from the moment I saw it.
Once buyers get their properties, they have to complete their renovation within a certain time frame, usually 3 years.
Cost for the original €1 home with taxes and fees was about €5,900.
Meredith decided to buy the building next door for €22,000 through a private sale.